is up? DC is right back again, and this time it is the Hot Wheels unboxing video, guys. Actually, I've been making a lot of Hot Wheels unboxing videos these days because for time being I'm not able to make the Hot Wheels trackset video. So yup guys, coming up to today's video, it is the Fiat 500, the tiny little car right here, but it's really looking very sporty with that stickering of the 500 right there. So yup, you know the drill. First the unboxing and then we'll go for the information. So yup, let's go and take a look at this cute car. Whoa guys, look at this Fiat. It's so cool. Like, wow. The detailing is so awesome. Like, I have noticed this car many times, but not this close. I didn't know it was so awesome. Like the numbers stickering, the 500. Wow guys, this car is truly amazing. The interior has a lot of details on it, like the seat covers and the headrests and of course the gear knob. Can't forget that. It's truly amazing guys. Like, look at it. It's so tiny and you can't imagine that how tiny this car is, but it's truly amazing. And it has also got side view mirrors, which actually many Hot Wheels lack. Wow, this car is truly amazing, except for the headlights and the taillights. I don't know why didn't they print that too. Wow, this car is truly amazing guys. Like, it's beautiful. So yeah guys, why don't we go for the information about this car, the Fiat 500. So here it comes. So yeah guys, here is the information for the Fiat 500. Why don't we begin with the engine? The engine is actually a 1.4 liter inline 4-cylinder and it's a front wheel drive. Of course, you can't expect a rear wheel drive in a hatchback. Talking about the transmission guys, the transmission you get in a 5-speed manual. Well, that's good. And talking about the body style guys, the body style of this car is a 2-door hatchback. It's a hot hatch guys. So yup. Coming up to the horsepower of this car is 101 horsepower, which is not so bad. Talking about the length guys, the length of this car is 3,555 in millimeters guys. Talking about the width of this car, the width of this car is 1,630 in millimeters guys. Talking about the weight of this car is unbelievable. It's 499 kilograms. Wow, that's really light. Talking about the top speed guys, the best part, all the car enthusiasts gather up here. The top speed of this car is 132 miles per hour, which is seriously fast, I think due to its light weight. Talking about the 0 to 60, the acceleration time guys, it does it in 6.9 seconds, which is truly amazing for a hatchback like this to do such a thing. Well guys, so this is a fun-filled hatchback. Talking about the price, you gotta pay if you want to get some fun. Well, yup, the price of this car is $20,000. If you want it delivered to your doorstep, like, yeah, doorstep, you gotta pay $400 more. So yup guys, as I've ended up the information, it's time for the special fact. So let's see what's it got here. So yup guys, here it tells that the original Fiat 500 was one of the smallest cars in the world, measuring 127 inches in length and 50 inches in width. Wow, that's really tiny and a good fact to know that this was the smallest car. So yup guys, as I've ended up all the informations right here, you know what to do. And yeah, that's for the old subscribers. And if you're new, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week guys with a brand new car or a trackset. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye now.